Hello, Christina Rowe here from Standout Media Group, and I wanted to bring you a quick video today to show you how you can make a blog in ClickFunnels. So if you thought that ClickFunnels was just for making funnels, they've got some other cool features as well that you might not be aware of. So let me show you just quickly how you would find a blog. So I'm just in here, I had logged in, I went over to funnels, browse funnels, and then my funnel screen has shown up here. And I can actually build a funnel based off a blog, or I can just add a page, which, as you see over here with funnels, I get 40 funnels. So I'm up to 38 here. It depends on your plan. I'm not sure about the $97 a month, how many funnels you get. I'm on the $197 package, which is an unadvertised package. I have Actionetics and I have the funnels. I don't use Backpack. If I want to upgrade to Backpack, it's going to cost me $297. Right now, Backpack is an affiliate program. I don't really have a use for it, so I could always go back and upgrade for another $100 a month. But I'm using this plan here, and if you want this plan, it's like I said, it's not advertised. You have to click on the Get Help button here for support, and once you're in the $97 plan, and ask them if you could upgrade to this professional plan. And they usually will say yes. So if you want to not have to build, if you just want to build a one-page blog, I would suggest going into an existing funnel if you have one already. I had put, let's see where I had stuck my funnel. I might have stuck it in here. Excuse me, my blog. Let's see. Yes, okay. So basically what I did here in this, which you've seen this free, or if you haven't seen it yet, the free ClickFunnels training that you can get to build an opt-in page funnel. I stuck it over here in this actual funnel. So I'm just using up a page. I'm not making a whole funnel just for a blog. And how I did it, and I'll do it again here, is I just added a new step in the funnel. I called it blog. I'll just put blog 2. I create a path for it. So I'm going to call it blog 2 for now. And I'm going to create this funnel step. And once I do this, it's going to appear within the funnel itself. Now, if you don't have a funnel already created and you just want to make a blog, you can just go to funnels up here and then build a funnel and do the same process. So again, we're always going to be led back to all these templates here. So where do we find the actual blog? Okay, we can look through here, and these are all squeeze pages, and some of them are templates that I've actually saved, which is cool, from previous funnels that I've made. But I'm going to look into, let's look into miscellaneous and see. Okay, so here's where you're going to find the pages that you may want to use if you're building a full-out website, or even just to have for your funnels. It's always a good idea to have a privacy policy, very important, and there's some other different contact us page you can add. And so you can see here we have a traditional blog page, a traditional blog post. So we can look, and I think there was another one too. Let's look down here. Okay, and there's a 3-column blog post, and here's another one here. So I'm just going to grab this one here. Let's preview it first and take a look at it. Okay, so this is actually a blog that you can put an article up. And what you can do with this here is you can link off. If you have an existing website, you can actually create these pages, or you can even link to another website. So here you see you've got Facebook or I don't know if those Facebook comments, or no, those are actually just comments. Yep, actually it is. It's a Facebook comment plugin. So you can add that. And it actually comes right in here. And here you would just put your blog post. So this one looks pretty nice. I'm going to actually go back, and I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to select the template. And now it's loading up. And I'll just wait till it loads up. And again, the 3 things you want to do when you're beginning any sort of funnel or any page in ClickFunnels, and these are like, I may have went over this in the other video, is you're going to have different paths. Like right now I name this, I have this on my own domain. You may just have not a domain name set up yet, so it's going to say your name, janedoe.clickfunnels.com, which is fine too, but you're always going to have this path here. And you want, when you start a page or anything, you want it to match, and I'll tell you what that means. When you go over to publishing, see that matches blog 2. I want to make sure that matches. And let me go back. I also want to go down here, and it does match. Okay, so it automatically. Sometimes if these mismatch, you'll get a warning sign. So right now it's fine. The page is matching here in publishing, it's matching here, and it's matching on here. That could sometimes be an issue. You'll see a big warning sign saying your funnel pages don't match. Okay, so we're just going to go into edit page, and we have right here a blog page ready to go to be putting a blog post up on here. And so yeah, would you have to recreate each time different you could link to different blog pages? Yeah, you'd have to do this each time you want to make a blog post, so it's not quite as easy as WordPress. But what this is very good as a marketing strategy is to put a blog post here, and you can see you can edit it by clicking over on the different things. And then here, instead of sign up to our newsletter, sign up right after they finish reading, send them into your funnel. So you want to send them right here into a funnel. Sign up for your free gift, for your free video, for your free training, for your free whatever. And then you want to link this in here. And this is going to pull in Facebook comments right over here, which is cool. And let's see, when we edit that, we can take a look here. You can do 5 posts. Click on advanced, nothing happens here. And then it's got the URL here, the comment URL, which I believe you need to put, and I'm not 100% sure. I believe here this is just a test.com. So if you want to do, let me just remove that. If you want to stick in here, I think it's going to be your Facebook URL. I'm not positive. I have to double check on that. So basically, you want to use this as a marketing tool. So if you have an existing website, you can, again, click here on these links here. Let's go here. Let me go over here. Look, again, we have the orange settings here. And we want to, it says home, link it here. So I can link the URL to my, say, standoutonline.com website instead of recreating all these pages. And I could just go through and do the same thing. Link this up to my existing website, put my logo here. Here I can have another sign up for something else that I already have about the company name. I could change all these colors. If you look into the trainings, the ClickFunnels trainings, you'll see just how to do that when you're just clicking. There's, again, 3 containers. This is the main container. You've got blue. And then what you really want to do to edit is get into this orange. So if I wanted to edit this here, I could change this background color to pink, let's say, or let's see, that pink. And I could do and go through here and change and add images and add a logo here if I'd like. If I want to change this background, it might be in the green. So you just really have to play around a lot too and see background color here. It's this grayish color. I just change it to white. Or if I want, I could change it to black. So I'm just going to change that to white. And then I can change this here. See how I'm hovering again? It's a little tricky. Once you get used to this though, you're going to see it's not that difficult. And here, this URL here, this is just the text. But if I wanted to, I could add an actual logo here. So I can go and just put an image. And then I'll delete the top one. I'll click here and I'll look in all my images here. And let me just grab something here. Let me see. Oh, wait, actually that first one was good. Sales funnel success. And now I can resize this too. So if I want to make it 100, it's a little too small. Let me see, 200. 200 is perfect. So now I want to get rid of this on top here because I want this to come up. So I'm going to hover over again, delete, and now I've brought this up. And you can see it's kind of low down. So here's how you adjust the spacing here. I hover over this, I click on settings, and see top margin, slide it up. Now if that's not good enough and you want it even more up to the top, hit the blue element here And again, you're going to have options here. Well, it says padding. Top margin's already there. I can also mess with the padding a bit. There we go. And now I have the logo here. So pretty easy to do. But the whole purpose of this, and this is a great marketing idea for you if you want to do Facebook ads or give out good content, is write a really great article, post it here, link up your site here professionally, about you, everything over here, and then lead to an offer in your funnel. You can even run Facebook ads. Now, you've probably clicked on Facebook ads like this where there was an interesting article that they got you to click on that you had with a great headline and you were really, really interested. So I'm going to do here, I'm going to call this one, and the name of my article, because I'm talking about sales funnels, is going to be The Truth About Sales Funnels. And I'm almost done with this. And then I'm going to change it to my name. I'm going to put a date here. And I'm just going to copy and paste my article here. And then I'm going to lead it into, on the bottom, let's just put 2017. And it's September, what is it today? 26th. Okay, so you see how I'm doing this? It's so easy. And again, I want to keep saving my work so I don't lose anything if the power goes out or whatever. And the good thing that happens is as soon as you hit save your work, look what happens here. It reminds you to change this. So I'm just going to call this Sales Funnel Success System Blog. And then I could do keywords. I can do ClickFunnels since I'm going to be teaching sales funnels. I'll put my name. Again, I can put my name here. And then I can use a social image, which I'm going to use that same image here. So this way, when it pulls up on Facebook, this is going to come up. And of course, I'm going to do a description later on. So again, I want to save. I'm going to put my company name here. And I'm not going to go through all of this because you get the idea. To modify this here, again, we want to click over, hover this button. I don't like the color of that button. I want to keep everything in my pink theme here. So I'm going to, let me see which pink I like. Go like that. And I don't like subscribe to mailing lists, so I'm going to go here. And I'm going to say get, I'm going to put this in caps too. Get, oops, the free ClickFunnels training here. And now that looks kind of small to me, so I want to change, I could change the font if I like, which I don't like this one. I'm going to change it to that. And then I'm going to up the font like that. And I want to make sure I'm mobile. This may look too big here for mobile, so I can lower that down to say a 22 on mobile. And then I'm going to save. And I can change this background here. Again, I don't want the blue. I'm using this pink color. I can go and just grab the pink color. There you go. To keep the brand consistent. And so on. So you can see how it's shaping up. And then I'll do all these links to my regular website, either ChristinaRowe.com or Standout Media Group. And this is where it gets important. I want people to sign up for free training. Sign up and create, oops, your sales funnel. Let's say, I'm going to change that later. And I'll hit save. And then we'll just preview this. And as you see, we'll have a blog post, which is going to be, this is the domain here, which let me just show you here. When I go back, I'm going to exit here. And this is where I'm going to be sharing. This will be the domain that I will share in Facebook ads, on social media, giving some great content. But of course, the goal is to get them into that funnel I have, which is right here. And just to remind you, if you haven't got it already, here's the first page of it. This is what you've seen if you've signed up, or if you haven't signed up yet, you'll see this is my free ClickFunnels training. Click to sign up, and I've got a pop-up on here, and you can sign up here. And then that page goes to the next page, which is the actual training videos. Let me show you those. This way you're getting an idea if you're new to funnels. and I made a bunch of videos here. And then it goes here. I don't believe I used this thank you page. Let me see what I have on here. I'm not sure if I customized this yet. I might have. Actually, because I kind of made, no, I haven't. This is just something else because I already have the training page as my thank you. So it goes from here to here. It's only a simple 2-page opt-in. What I can do is then move this over here. It's going to reset my stats, but I can do that once I want to up here, and then it would go from blog to free ClickFunnels training, or I can just go in here if I don't want to do that, edit the page, and then have it go directly to that page. And I'll show you how to do that really fast so we don't make this too complicated. So if you want it to go this page here, let's work on this button here. Okay, so we want our action here. We want it to submit the form so that it submits. And then we want it to, after it submits the form, we can have it either send them an email by going up here on this page to settings, integrations, and this is also in the other video. And I can connect, since I'm using Actionetics, add to list, and you could use MailChimp or any of the other autoresponders, and I'm going to find the autoresponder I already have set up. So I suggest, I'm going a little fast in here, I suggest you watch the ClickFunnels training, sign up if you haven't already, so that gives you the basic overview first. And this one is at standoutonlinesystem.com/funnels. Sign up, get this. It's going to give you a lot of the basics of how to set up your first funnel, and then that's where you'll start from, and you'll add on all these other cool things. I'm going to bring you how to do membership sites and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, feel free to email me, Christina@ChristinaRowe.com, or message me on Facebook, and I look forward to helping you more with your funnels.